Welcome to AssistEdge RPA how-to video series. In this video, we will learn how to create a file trigger for an automation. Triggers enables users to generate automation requests as per the defined schedule or changes at a particular source location, which could be changes at a file system, FTP, SFTP, or in an email inbox. Creating a file trigger includes the following steps. Defining the process trigger type in Studio. Creating a file system trigger in Control Tower. In this video, we will understand the first step of creating a file trigger. That includes defining the process trigger type and process inputs in Studio. In this example, let's create a file trigger type for the Stock Finder automation. The Stock Finder automation reads company names from an input Excel file, finds their stock prices, and writes the stock price back into the Excel file. Let's configure the automation process for this automation to execute only when the stock input Excel file is received at a particular location on the target machine's file system. In Automation Studio, open the Stock Finder automation process and verify the Excel loop activity. As we see, currently the Excel loop activity reads Excel records from the stock input Excel file placed on the local machine. Let's configure the Excel loop to read records from the Excel, which will be placed at runtime in a shared network directory. To do this, as a first step, define the process inputs. In the Studio menu, click Process Inputs. Process input parameter is defined as the input parameter based on which the process execution is initiated. Select Process Trigger Type as File Trigger and click Confirm. This creates file path and file type arguments in the process. The values of these arguments are passed while creating a file trigger for this automation process in the Control Tower. Now, select the Excel loop in the process and open the Properties and Suggestions window. Update the Excel file location property value to the file path argument. This ensures that the Excel loop will read data from an Excel file that it will get at runtime during the automation execution. Save, publish, and deploy the process. That's all from this how-to video. In the next video, we will understand how to create a file system trigger in Control Tower for the configured Stock Finder automation process. Thank you.